Hello everyone. Today we shall discuss exercise 14.3 question number 3. If a figure has two or more lines of symmetry, should it have rotational symmetry of order more than one? The answer is yes. Suppose we already known that if we take equilateral triangle, right, it has more, that is three lines of symmetry, right? If we take an equilateral triangle, right, it has three lines of symmetry, right? And rotational symmetry is also 3, right? In case of regular hexagon also, it has 6 lines of symmetry and rotational symmetry is also order of 6. Therefore, the answer is yes. Yes, in equilateral triangle, in equilateral, in equilateral triangle, in equilateral triangle and regular hexagon and regular hexagon and hexagon regular hexagon, a figure has two or more lines of symmetry, more lines of symmetry and also and also have rotational symmetry, rotational symmetry, have rotational symmetry, rotational symmetry of order more than one, order more than one, order more than one, right? Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.